Okay, everyone. Drum tech drummer and YouTube educator Kenny Sharretts here with a quick shout out about a video that I'm gonna have going around. I'm just gonna put a little teaser out because y'all gotta hear this, y'all. I just did a video where I took Jason Corbiere, drummer for Jimmy Vaughn, blues legend Jimmy Vaughn, and tuned his vintage ROGERS tom and then matched my brand new ROGERS tom to see how well they matched. And I'm giggling right now because they sound like the same drum. Hold on. Same drum, yo. So look out for my video where Jason gets to play his vintage Dynasonic, his vintage 12, and then plays my brand new Dynasonic and my brand new 12. And we'll see how the vintage stacks up to the new guy, and the new guy stacks up to the vintage. Solid.